Welcome to the offline classes. Children, this is 3rd standard English textbook. All of you open your textbook, page number 22. Okay, children, in the previous period, you have studied about the homonyms. Homonyms meaning already you have studied. What is mean by homonyms? The words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but have different meaning is called homonyms. Yes, children. The words that have same spellings. Spelling will be same, pronunciation will be same, but the meaning is different. The meaning is different. Only one word give us a different meaning is called homonyms. See here, children. Already you have studied. Only one word is there here. Two meanings. Here two meanings. From these meanings, from this word we have to make two different sentences. Two different sentences. This like already we have studied. The second one question I will read for you this one. Write any two homonyms of your choice with their meanings. Also frame sentences using the homonyms. See here, children, I will read first one and write here. I will write here F-I-N-E. Fine. The meaning is of very high quality. Of very high quality. The meaning of homonym, the word fine is of very high quality. One more meaning is very small particles. Okay, children, these are two meanings of the homonym. Word is fine. Now we have to make from two sentences. This word we have to use in these sentences. Okay? Here I will write one sentence. Elizabeth delivered a fine performance on stage. See here, the homonym of the word is fine. The meaning is of very high quality. The sentence is Elizabeth delivered a fine performance on stage. This like we should write. See here, children, one more meaning is there here, very small particles. We have to write here one sentence. The sand on this beach, has fine particles. Okay? The sand on this beach has fine particles. The next page. See here. One more I will write here. Word rose. Rose. The meaning of rose is a flower. One is a meaning flower. One more meaning is past tense of rise. The past tense of rise is rose. Okay? See here. R-O-S-E. Rose is my favorite flower. The sentence. We have to make one sentence. Which word we have to use here? The word we have to use rose. In this sentence formation, we have to use rose word. Okay? Rose is my favorite flower. The second one is past tense of rise. The sentence is, the men rose to welcome the king. The men rose to welcome the king. Okay? These are the two sentences. These are two meanings, but here only one word. One word gives us two meanings with two sentences. Okay, children? That like we have to get. Next one, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Instead of noun is called pronoun. Instead of a noun is called pronoun. Read the following sentences from the lesson. Her house was filled with prizes and medals. Her house was filled with prizes and medals. They were all hers. See here, medals and prizes. Who's that? Hers. Who is her? Hers means avaladu. Her. Avala. See here, children. Her and hers different here. Her house. But the prizes and medals were all hers. See here the pronoun hers. The pronoun hers refer to the prizes and medals belongs to Saina. Who's that? Saina's. Those prizes and medals belongs to Saina. The pronoun that shows belonging or ownership is called possessive pronoun. A pronoun that shows belonging or ownership is called possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns like all pronouns help avoid repetition in a sentence. They are usually used at the end of the sentence. Listen carefully. Always this possessive pronoun word usually used at the end of the sentence. This is very important. You have to remember it. Okay, children? See here, the possessive pronoun is a pronoun word. It is usually used at the end of the sentence. For example, I like your dress. I like your dress. Do you like my dress? Here the word dress is repeated twice in the sentence. Here. Here will be there, here will be there. It is not a nice way of writing. It is not nice way to writing. This one. Don't write this like. The same sentence can be rewritten using the possessive pronoun. When we have to use the possessive pronoun, on that time I, it will become mine. Listen this one first. I become mine. Okay? See here. Possessive pronoun mine as follows. I like your dress. Do you like mine? See here. My is there here. Here mine will come. My. My means nanna. Okay, mine, nannadu. Here the word dress is not repeated. Which one is repeated here? Only one time dress is there. Here two times the dress is repeated. But here you have to use here possessive pronoun. The following table shows the possessive pronoun and personal pronoun relationship. What do you mean by personal pronoun, possessive pronoun? I become mine. Personal, if it is in the personal I, it will become possessive mine. You is a personal, yours is a possessive. He is a personal, his is a possessive. She is a personal, hers is a possessive. This like will, words are change. It, is a personal, its is a possessive. We is a personal, ours is a possessive. They is the personal, theirs is the possessive. This like the words will be changed in the possessive pronoun time. Okay children, I will tell you one more. Turn the page. Here, see here. Fill in the blanks using possessive pronouns from the box. These are the possessive pronouns. These are the possessive pronouns. His, theirs, hers, yours, mine and ours. He become his, they become theirs, she become hers, you become yours, I become mine, we become ours. Okay, this like. This is Ram and this dog is. This is Ram. This dog is his. H-I-E-S. His. We bought this house last year. We bought this house last year. This is ours. This is ours. O-U-R-S right here. Third one. Oh, these books are dash. These books are mine. Right here mine. I forgot them here yesterday. I forgot them here yesterday. See here. Saira and Ria have dogs. Saira is feeding hers. H-E-R-S. Okay. Next one. I found this toy on the floor. Is this yours? Y-O-U-R-S. Okay, right here. I found my notebook, but Neha and Ria can't find theirs. T-H-E-I-R-S. Okay. You have to copy this one, children, which I have told. The next one, Saina Nehwal is a famous sportsman. Pair up with a friend and play a guessing game. Think of a famous sports person and ask your partner to guess the name of the famous person by asking yes or no questions. One example has been given. Okay, one example has been given below for you. See here, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. See here, is the person alive? Yes or no? Yes. See here, is the person male? Yes. Next page, you have to come to the next page. Is the person a tennis player? Yes or no? No. Is the person a cricket player? Yes. Is the person Indian? Yes. Was the person the captain of the Indian team? Yes. Did the Indian team win a World Cup in his captaincy? Yes. Is the person Kapil Dev? See here. Answer is no. Is the person Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Who is it? Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who is he? See this one. This is for your homework. This is for your homework. Think and tell me. Okay? See here. Think and tell me. Okay, children? The next one. Write a paragraph. They have given here one picture. We want to make from this picture one paragraph. We will send you later. Okay? Afterwards, you have to write in your given school notebook. Write neatly without making mistakes. Don't scratch words. Okay, children. The last one is listen to the commentary of a cricket match and answer these questions. Which match is being played? The first one is semi-final of World Cup 2015. The second one, final of World Cup 2015. The second one is correct. Second, Beat one, where is the match being played? The first one answer, Eden Gardens, Kolkata. Second answer, Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. The first one is correct. Eden Garden in Kolkata. The third one is which team won the toss? First one is India. Second one is Sri Lanka. The first one, India, is correct. Fourth one, what did India decide to do first? What did India decide to do first? The first one batting, the second one bowling. The first one batting is correct. The last one question, who hit a boundary off the first ball? See here, two names they have given here. Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma. Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma. Shikhar Dhawan. This is the correct answer. Here, question answers they have given. See here, children. I will send you later these answers. Then one more paragraph they have given here. We will send you this one also. You have to copy the given notes in your school notebooks without scratching, without making a mistakes. Okay? Write neatly and learn the question answers also. Fill in the blanks. Everything. Okay, children? Take care. Bye.